Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are well. In today's video, I'll be doing one of the most requested tutorial that I've been getting on my Instagram page. So I decided to share it here on my YouTube channel so you guys can see how I make this closure wig. It's a deep side closure wig. So you can see it looks like a frontal. So the first thing I'm doing is placing my wig cap on the canvas head and also adjusting the cap. You can see it does have excess cap, so I'm going to adjust it to fit the canvas head. I already have a detailed tutorial on how to adjust your wig cap to fit your head properly, so that video is on my channel. Kindly check it out. This video is mainly for this deep side part closure wig, so there are so many things that I'm not going to be doing in this video because I already have them on my channel. So let's just focus on how to make this wig properly, okay?
Good figure, can hold liquor, likes jigger, can mess with her.
So for this tutorial I'll be using a 5x5 closure, and this is the most interesting part of this video, and this is where you should pay more attention. So here's the side where I'll be placing the closure. So right now we're going to act as if you're doing a custom made glueless frontal wig. You know how you make that glueless frontal wig? You bring out 1 inch or more than an inch on the sides. So that's what we're going to be doing, but in this case we are bringing out the lace on only one side of it, not the whole. You're not bringing out lace on both sides, but you're bringing out lace on one side, if that makes sense. Like, I'm not good at explaining these things, but just watch and see what I'm doing. So you can see on the other side I'm not bringing out the lace, so just bring out a little to cover the wig cap. Okay, you can see how little that is, so that's what you should be doing. And make sure you stretch the lace, that way it will fit properly and you will not need a spray or glue to secure your wig. Okay, now that the front part has been settled, let's focus on the back section. So here you're going to make sure that you're laying the lace really flat and securing it down with pins. I recommend that you use this type of tailor pin to secure your lace. T-pin can actually rip the lace. I only use T-pin to secure the cap and not the closure. I used to use it to secure the closure until it dealt with me really bad, so I stopped using T-pins on the closure or on the lace. I only use T-pin for the wig cap. So you can see how the lace is laying on the cap. That is how your placement should look like. After laying down the lace, you just go ahead and use your needle and thread to sew down the lace. Make sure you sew closely, that way your lace will look flat by the time you're done making your wig. Okay,
all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me.
so now it's time to draw the guidelines. I'm using a metallic pen to draw my guidelines. I'm just making like 1 inch guidelines. Okay,
show them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for me. I'll do you anywhere when you turn me on. You looking at me, girl, me say carry on. Say girl, I really like the way that you carry your body. Say girl, you can stand by me anywhere all day, girl.
so guys, this is what my guidelines for this closure wig looks like, and this is the hair that I'll be using to make this wig. I did not film the part where I sewed down this wig because I didn't see the need to. It's the same process as sewing down any type of wig. Either you're using hand stitching or sewing machine. You just follow the guidelines. That's the most important part of this video. So I've just proceeded to showing you guys how I style the wig. I cut out that tab. You can see that band on the closure, right? I had to cut it out so that the lace can lay properly on the ear. So I also cut out the small piece on the other side of the lace. That way the band will not show and the lace will melt properly into the skin. So if you find this video helpful, kindly hit that like button, okay?
It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Batman me a coming, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby tell me who's that? Look back, baby make you look back. I move that. Where you move that, touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar, now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar, girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me out, say she give me pour me out. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at the think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pour me out, see me pour me out. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me out. Say enter the radar, now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar, girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good.
So right now I'm trying on the wig so you guys can see how it looks on me. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be styling this wig on my head because it's for a client, and if you guys want to see a detailed video on how to lay this hair on your head, then I'll be making a separate video using my own wig. So that's it for this video. If you find it helpful, please do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, share with your friends, and don't forget to leave a comment down below as well. So that will be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
I like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I mean my feelings. Bad man, me I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can taste. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really complex. Them man, them I really can test me. Wait, I put it down.